Hi friends, welcome to Santosh Real Tech Mantra channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Excel interface. So, how to start Excel? To start Excel, just click on Start button or scroll here in Microsoft Office, search for the Microsoft Office folder and click on the Microsoft Excel 2007. It depends on your version, whatever the version you installs. Here I am installing 2007 version. This is one method, and the second method is use run command. How to open the run command? Hold the window button and press letter R. Then you will get the dialog box run command. Here type the text Excel and click on OK button. In these two methods, you can use any one of them. So coming to this interface, here in the structure of an Excel window, here it is called Office button. If you click on it, you will get the basic commands like new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close, etc. And these are the recent files we open. It shows that. Just like file menu commands. Then coming to this is called quick access toolbar. It is called quick access toolbar. We will discuss this later. And this is called title bar. It displays the name of the file and type of the application. As we opened Excel, it is showing that Microsoft Excel. If you open Word, it shows Microsoft Word. It depends on the application. Then this is called as control palette. Minimize button, and you can open it. Then this is restore button and restoring the window, and then this is the close button. Next, below that, this is called menu bar. It is called menu bar. Home menu, insert menu, page layout menu, formula menu, data menu, review menu, view menu. Right? When you click on the particular menu, some of the commands are showing on these strap. This is called ribbon. This is called ribbon. Generally, in 97-2003 version, we have a menu mode. When you click on the menu, a drop down list will be appeared. But coming to the 2007 plus versions, we will call it as ribbon mode. When you click on a particular menu, it shows a ribbon with list of commands. A ribbon is divided into subgroups like clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cells, editing. Each ribbon is divided into subgroups. Each subgroup is divided into commands. Right? Below that, this is called as name box. It displays the cell address of a particular cell which we selected. And there are many uses with that. We will discuss later. And this is called formula bar. In Excel, all the calculations are written here. Right? Then coming to these are called columns A, B, C, D, E, F, so and so. And these are rows 1, 2, 3, 4, so and so. Right? And these are cells. These are group of cells. For example, if you see here this, I selected a particular cell that is H10. Like it is showing here. Like that particular cell is in H column and 10th row. Then the cell address of particular cell is H10. Right? Then go to the last. We will see the last column, that is XFD in advanced versions. Right? Coming to the last row, 10,48,576 row. Here we can see the sheet names, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. There you can change the names also. In further videos I will show you. And each default workbook we have a 3 worksheets. And here you can see the zoom level. You can see the zoom level. Least zoom is 10% and maximum zoom is 400% here. Right? We will work on 100% zoom. So, if you like the video, click on like button, comment in the comment section, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.